In a special way, I'm inviting you to this interview. My name is Bernard Riziki.
Asante sana Bernard. Utarira ni Mike. Bantu bali batete kumanya nyuma tadarasoa asumugana samangana berago trend se TikTok, Facebook kila mahali. Utarasoa bantu batete kumanya ngabana ba. Umaita bantu bali gusangia guli simirero smartphone. Na ninchi achichi mukopo. So nabo sangi monta guli simirero osoire tana gosoa tama Riziki ningo. Kora brief introduction about Riziki ningo.
Igon kwa Bernard Riziki. Igon ndo mugusi. Nyiboire village kwa Iranda. Kisii County. Igon ndo moteri o gospel country music.
Okay. Asante sana. Yomento. Yes. Asante sana. Asante sana sa bamwaturigirie se chichaneli chetu cha Gusii na boigo twachire aso mutandao. Tari njira yetu ya kawaida kuri na sasa uriye demand y'abantu abangi nkakora nche. Bernard Riziki ni mwimbaji mzuri na ni ndugu ambaye tunampenda, nyimbo zake zinatufariji. Tuwale ko sabagusi tuwale ko request munyale ko ikase Bernard munyale ko kuwa na mangana 3 irindi tunyale ko manyanga obwene bwa mangana mborobi na ikiagere to ikranse gigase mbarago ya bono iga egere tunyale ko kuona nayo mwanchu muriria oyo turgire tina ndobere supportive ase bateri bonse baito bagusi na Bernard Riziki na bateri bande. Asante sana aso kunyara go promote abateri baito bagusi na boigo igotorega because of public demand. Najua kwamba ni kwa sababu yenu, ni kwa sababu mmesema kwamba tupate kufanya hii interview. Za zingine tunafanya in Facebook, in TikTok, labda turi konyora manganonsi iwo konyora ibisamunye gose ebi butore bya interview. So abantu babere bago pick some parts wasangyo bantu ba yarosiriye chaye barosiriye turungi barosiriye chaye technique nyansa banyara kubika mangana sinjiri tabwenereti. So nakiagira tuachaga iga erinda tunyale konyora obwo ene bwa mangana kurwase Bernard Riziki asa mangana berega go trend ase o mutandao igo eyamase ya monte tekumbera niyo mintua libaga erindanya le tunyale kuja kuchaka kubuli maswali eyamase ye mona boigo nabora nyale kubuli swali na boliko nyale gutwikiraga igase page cheto cha Mama Gusii TV, TikTok pale. I think Riziki yuko live bali TikTok, you can go there, you can ask the question erinda tunyale ko kora mangana ya because mangana ya letro tutukanu ubungi monso ase ekanisa yetu ya Adventist ase 5 artist taraleta vicherengia. So nakiara tochiga iga tonyale kubeka mangana asinchira ya bene. So if you have any question na no iwetenga ndikoromete iweto riboli, you are allowed to ask na mutoko somaga iga ende tonyale kukwereneria na I believe after this interview amangana ya ngochiale koera ende tonyale konyora obotereru tonyale kwana ni chishukuri chetu cha kawaida. Over to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Mtaalam Dennis kwa kunipea fursa hii. Bernard Riziki, when such news chigo cha sabantu mnaintu, at first chigo cha bana a surprise. Ekero konyora your loyal fans, wherever they be, ba konyora these rumors, echiko abera by surprise. Ayebuna Bernard Riziki and as an individual. Ekera manganaya again retego trend. Did it find you as a surprise or something that you had seen that maybe you did not be able to prevent it, or it just came and found you by a surprise?
Thank you. Manganaya amarito, as they usually say. I think not only someone who is celebrated as or someone who is known,
Yes.
akoba magani, but to every individual, whether you are known or not.
Yes.
Anything ekoro kwa trolled online, and maybe bangana go kwano in a negative way. I think mwanya bantu the way we were brought up, and Nyasaye na begete atotongete the nature in us, mangana buna yekera gocha igago konyora in surprise. So mangana ya nabanyora ase omoichano monene aende akanyora nobokendu obonene.
Yes.
To be sure, up to date, tindanyara will come into terms amona mangana again it online. But again, I believe and trust in the Lord, because God says that he has promised to strengthen us. Nyasaye orire ira yogotoa chinguru. Whether we are Christians, whether we are not Christians, all of us we are the work igotore mirimo ya Nyasaye. Twensi igotore ebitungu bya Nyasaye. Nyasaye ekera gukora mangana ayo ne chinguru agotoa igagotoa obo mu Kristo tobo mu Kristo. Obo munyabibe usobe righteous. So God has given me strength in a special way. That is why I think we have come this far. And again, I believe that by the end of the day, correspond.
Yes.
The Bible says that Nyasaye nabe umurwaniriro ino. Na inde Nyasaye nabo muwakili ino. And the only God, the only one who can give you justice, asense mwanya bantu nandi batoraru justice, our Father in heaven will give and will serve us with justice.
Amen.
So that has given him strength and kiabere chinguru to this far.
Asante. Thank you. Liziki kirokenda bantu barate bantu beto squeeze baba patience. Guko ngamonongi mo wechere mero rika baba toreta yemasem. Ani bata itobogorie nyundo wakijumali mu asimo tugoro yemasemo. So tika tuende tora kwane kando kando lakini tika tuende bono to the story. Egere tonyale kumanyanga what happened. How did it happen? Na ilianza aje. Nunyali gotugorera. Nunyali gotugorera on the ways maybe na watenga bantu na rugoli simira bantu bametinga nkendre. Tonyali gotugorera na kinga ne yechete na bono gana kiyachire then tomaye kumana kiya affected na maybe anjira kituranyali kujaligia solution. Igorera nginga ne yemasemo.
Be a man.
Yes.
I think to call a spade a spade.
Yes.
Ekerong highlight amangana ganda tasemitandao. Number one, eskando yarolekanira ase riziki.
Yes.
Neskando ya kwaniru ase riziki. I think that is what has made you to bring me here. Na koeresera bagusi n'abantu bonsi ba the online users na bonsi bali babere bakwasa manganaya no gocha ko bamandolera nga what transpired this eskando yaberege gokwano gaiga ne skando aseke gusigo bagoteba if I may say no bonyaka.
Yes.
Yeah. So to call a spade.
Yes.
Obonyaka warolekanire asomoteli kurukuriziki.
Yes.
So I think that is what is happening online. And I think that is what I've come to respond to.
Yes.
Na inde I get to make a record straight. To what is happening, what happened, na inde as we are,
Yes.
what is our position?
Aliziki asante sana. Ingane yarekanira ndi njira wate bangati turukeke chiko. Ingane yaberege gutrol ya semetandao. Nabo tutakwana manganons. Na nabo tutabolia maswalions. No kiro kindi nabo tutakwane igenda bantu bategete kuiwa. Lakini igenda tutetu no boine bo mangana. Na kingane ye ichagete. Nandi na kijete gutokera munanchi nyirochi si TikTok. Na yichakirete nandi pakanga kijete gutoka ase umutandao. Na kia toka to ORS na boige nganeye ingendo tete kumanya ne kene kirigeta bugati chianga kene kirige sobono ngaki nganeye onyale gotoresa from scratch to where it is right now egere abantu onyale ku understand because I know people love your ministry igasi onengia and I know every Friday each other day abantu nkurangira bari egere onyale go usaso kichinkoro so abantu bari bategete kumanya kando nalia agokwanwa abantu mbalite kumanya eyamase ye mukuru asore kurulingana litangani paka lingana lyo mwelyo nonyale gotweresa no to that confidence. Yes. Yes.
Ego can respond.
Yes.
Ekoralinde mangana yanjalengete.
Yes.
So I'm the right person to respond.
Yes.
Tingo tuara mwakili uraje correspond on my behalf.
Yeah.
Mwakili ga correspond asekina.
Yes.
Lakini asamangana I'm the right person I think to respond. Igo yarenge chitariki mirongo ibere na kianda was it 29th of December
Uh-huh.
2024 last year. Amanganaya agaendeta se mitandao igakubwatania. Kuna wahusika wawili, Riziki
Yes.
ambaye ni mimi na msichana mwingine anaitwa Marion ambaye jina yake ingine ya utani I think ni Toto Ndizi. Sisi ndio wahusika, na huyu Marion nimemjua kutoka kwa ndugu yetu mmoja mwimbaji, so they were friends, and since we share friendship, sisi ni marafiki na huyu mwimbaji na tunafanya same genre of music ambayo ni country music.
Yes.
Tukaweza kujuana na huyu msichana kupitia kwa huyo rafiki yangu. Sasa hatukukuwa marafiki wa karibu sana.
Uh-huh.
We were not such a close.
Yes.
Nor we were not in constant communication all along since I knew her. Mara ya kwanza huyu msichana Marion ni yeye aliniandikia ujumbe ama arafa.
Yes.
Kwa simu yangu ya WhatsApp. Akatuma kitu na kitu alituma ni kitu ambacho I think nilionyesha some of you wakati mkiniuliza. Yes. Niweze kuwapa some of the evidences I have. Alituma kitu fulani, picha fulani.
Yeah.
It's not good to say here.
Yeah, tushaelewe.
Na wakati alituma hiyo kitu, kumbuka ni mtu ambaye hatujaweza kuzungumza naye. Ni mtu ambaye hatujaweza kuwa karibu naye.
Yes.
Na ni mtu ambaye hatuna mahusiano. Lakini ameweza kutuma kitu kama hii.
Yes.
Kwa WhatsApp.
Yes.
As you saw, what she did after she sent, she deleted immediately.
Yes.
That was on 4th of July 2024. So the first conversation ama the first message ambayo iliingia kwa simu yangu kutoka kwa Marion ni picha. Na hiyo picha ambayo iliingia ikawa deleted. Na wakati alidelete, immediately before I even responded or before I even texted back, ni anaandika akisema kwamba I'm sorry, pole. Kama ni tamnukuu, alisema pole aki, nilikuwa I was sending it to my status. Then my question comes, everyone has a dignity. Kila mtu akona dignity. Hata machokora in the streets wakona dignity. So kuna vitu ambazo wakati unafanya, something that comes into your mind, itakuambia this is wrong. Because tuko na conscious. How come isa ambayo watu wakiangalia watanichaji vibaya? How come that niitume kwa status ambapo watu wanaangalia wengi?
It was not something worthy to present to status.
Okay, it was a note.
Yes.
Yeah. It was a note.
Yeah.
That was sent to my WhatsApp, and that was the first conversation ambayo iliingia kwa simu yangu tarehe, vile mliangalia ilikuwa tarehe 4 July 2024.
Okay.
Now I never responded. Akajipigania, akiegerera, akatepa pole, tari gutuma to me, gari gutuma to status.
Okay.
I never had to question. I left it that way. Akaendelea akisema kwamba na akumiri sana enche ngamutewi, hata mimi nimeshangaa sana. That conversation ikabutoka or conclude that ona vile Mungu anafanya mambo. Kamalizia hapo. I never responded back. I never wanted to engage her more because I took it somehow negative. Now the second phase of our conversation, this is 4th July 2024. Imenyamaza hapa hadi 5th December 2024. So the second phase of our conversation ya WhatsApp imekuja kuwa tarehe 5 mwezi wa December mwaka 2024, that is last year. She forwarded a poster ama inaitwa bana ya yangu. Nilikuwa na function tarehe 7 mwezi wa December. So ameniongelesha tarehe 5, so 2 days to my function. Akinitumia hii banner, alikuwa na inquire that if this is the banner that will be used in my function. I told her yes. Aka inquire more akiuliza kutakuwa na staging pale Capital Press staging. Nikamwambia ndio. Akaniuliza what will be the theme color of your event. Nikamtumia theme color ambayo ilikuwa green. Akasema thank you, I'll attend. Nikamwambia karibu sana, nimekukaribisha. So why have I brought it here? It's because hapa kwa mwanzo wa mazungumzo yetu ni yeye ameniongelesha, na wakati ameniongelesha hapa nilikuwa najibu bila alikuwa ananiongelesha, na kupitia kuanzia mara ya kwanza aliponiongelesha Julai, amekuja kuniongelesha tena mwezi wa Disemba. So hapa hakuna mahusiano yoyote ambayo inaweza kuzungumziwa kati ya Riziki na kati ya Marion. Are you seeing? I should proceed.
Yeah.
So
okay. Mnokuna kuendelea. It's okay. Kunanyo match. Machinara. Asante sana. Tete kumanya gatiga iga muratwara good communication. Musa musubati otora murigia. Kero kende tora moega. Lakini utomire bintu na ndo chiro kuborira na ki stitching nero whatever. Na ki tete kwenda ye masi mu sa sinchari ya bwangu na ki muti tigosoa paka bono iga murasi chiseki. Yes.
Bono gosoa gaiga because timaiti gosengo kebeka in details, but I'll try to summarize it so that kila mtu aweze kuelewa, because the live that happened on Monday,
yes,
wengi wa watu ambao wako katika mitandao hawakuja kuona.
Okay.
The only thing they saw,
yes,
ni kitu ambacho content creators wamekata
na
wakaanza kushare katika
Okay.
pages zao.
Okay.
Kwa nini tuko hapa? Ni kwa sababu ya wizi.
Yes.
Kwa sababu ya wizi. Huyu msichana sasa anaitwa Marion aliweza kuniibia. Na wakati aliweza kuniibia, mimi kama Mkristo,
Yes,
na mimi kama mwimbaji ambaye ninajulikana, na mimi kama what they say as a mature man, nikaonelea ni vema wakati mtu amekukosea. Ukristo inatuambia kwamba ukikosewa, mwanzo ufuate njia ya sheria. Njia ya sheria ikishindikana, uwaite wazee waje wafanye nini? Wafanye mazungumzo. That is what the Bible says.
Yeah.
So I followed the procedure wakati msichana aliniibia.
Nkeiva.
Na sasa
Okay.
ngoja ndo.
Yes.
Ekerangi bira igo nabwatie procedure yeri chiko. Tunonde wense kera ibirwe nabwatie procedure yeri chiko. Timbwatie procedure yogocha despite Riziki having much following on my social media platforms. Tinje to take advantage yogocha gutanish elieta dia moisoko oyo nyarokeye in any way. Osenje kumusarira elieta in any way. Senje koreta propaganda in any way. Igo na imoka na korega ntugikuru kwa diplomacy. Aki Mario nyangibera. That is what you are asking. Mario nyangibera simi enene sana ikuru kwa S24 Samsung
Right.
kuru nyomba mwana.
Yes.
So nyomba mwana, again, that is what brings more questions.
Akigite nyomba.
How aika nyomba.
Yes.
That is what people are asking.
Exactly.
And now that is where I get to be more castigated.
Yes. That's why I want
Yeah, thank you. Mario ni ganyore simi kuru nyomba mwana nyomba. After twagamba liria twatigira tare 5
Yes.
liambo ligoro ye function.
Yes.
Na atendie function yane ya tare 7. Later on twakora there was no communication in between. Mazungumzo hayakuwa mtogambye tikende gyonsi paka again 2 days to tarehe 27 to tarehe 29 ni 27. Yeah, I think tarehe 27, 2 days to 29th.
Yes.
2 days so ni 27. So 27 huyu msichana nilikuwa nimeshare katika status zangu nilikuwa nimempoteza fan mkubwa sana, alikuwa anapenda nyimbo zangu pale Keumbu. So matanga kabla ifanyike wakaniomba that now since this was your fan, mwalimu was your fan, the wife and the kids, they have requested Riziki uende waimbie kwa nyumba. So I shared that I'm going to console a family at Keumbu. So amongst those people ambao waliona status zangu, Marion was one of them. So aliniuliza if ningemtag along. She joined me later. Singe oppose kwa sababu sijawahi jua Marion in any way. Hatuna relationship. In this way she has been acting as a fan. So wakati fan amekuwa interested ni mchukue katika mahali naenda kuperform ama
Yes.
ankove ukia sengo chikotera.
Mukagenda.
I didn't see why I should say no.
Yes.
Aganjoin tukagenda asakuru kwa Diplos tukaragira because nchara narenge tingoteba nga Emmanuel yasenge nchachira sende tinkogenda nchibuka nchikuragira Diplos sigangenda nera turagire tukaragira
Mugasoko sembotuko.
you get evening hours because naje guchotera butuko.
Okay.
Nari guchaka gotera my event manager uyo renge in charge of this event.
Yes.
Nero konge program so akanyorwa kong update sangapi to gotera but he told me evening hours.
Yes.
Nganye in between there's something I'll confirm. Then from there let antebi so nkarora now that tinda nyora ndagira kurumambia nari busy tigangete nyora ndagira Diplos. So since Marion had joined me tukaita Diplos tukanyora indagira tukaragira. Then this gentleman joined us later. We proceeded to Keumbu na chita ronga tera mpaka around saa 7 tukakora. Now we set to come back to town. Katogo chegari ana had a problem ke yegi lever ikanga go shift. I called the mechanic agachaka fix that issue. We proceeded to town. Ikatoika Kisi town. The gentleman Evans requested me modrop asakro kwa Jazz tukamodrop Jazz. Tukatigara igo gari ma tutigarete nao a team of 3, a mechanic, Marion and Riziki. And there was another gentleman we motorbike ulioleta mechanic na ende tukarora ngase ngencho kana achire nyomba amo proceed to his place asamenyete. So guy gatura bagari mabatatu plus the border guy. So tuka drop Evans, we proceeded to the place ase angena muone nkuboli Marion where she stays, tukamuboli where she stays astora mo drop akababu no muntu ne nigine in a way nigine. What is that? Yes, that is correct. You can tell them.
He's trying to explain that she wanted to go, but again, akaonyesha indications not wanting to go.
So you could see willingness of going, and at the same time, no willingness. So again, I was like, Sasa, uyu tutam drop wapi? It's past mid of the night. Boye is not far. Gari taike. Karanga ya, it's good to mo drop. Kera banga to mo drop in Kamavori. Will you be safe? She never responded. But now because
Lakini wate banaye weka nere.
no, gari me tore batatu.
Okay.
We to proceed
Yes.
to where menyeta se menyete na ande no mechanic yana yale go ite proceed
Okay.
to his place.
Yes.
So gari me tore batatu no muntu we piki bado kuna gutubwati so that to wika ekero na chire a proceed muntu we a proceed the mechanic to his place. So we decided with my mechanic that what we do nkateye mechanic, let's drop this lady asaiga naiga. So tukagenda akabanga igakira tukumuburi, tell us where we shall drop you. To okorora situra guikiange na mwao in this place una wataye pari abago totebi togo etani agateba ni sawa. So ntu achieta agatotebi tigera. Initially she had explained nga asitura chikumwikiri is not secure. So kero twamuikiaria tukumuburi, are you safe? Because I had even sacrificed. Now that anything happens to this lady, the one who should be responsible. Yes. And sacrificed nga epigipigi eria ari go procedure because nabako na gutubwatigo nabako moso iguchima nyekere interior muno amo drop at a doorstep, then he comes back tumanye gukora kitumanye koirana kara twaikaria tukumuvuri nga rende gari taso aguchia pigipigi te go drop at your doorstep ataba pana nyenyenda mimi niko sawa kind of woman tuwe minchete are you seeing?
Yes.
So I didn't understand why the mood changed. I didn't understand why abavuno yoga chiri. I even asked Alex nga why nga kinya rokiria bievu agejua use maybe what happened. Olia gantenga maybe nabana lete maybe ine mood yai. So we didn't see it a big deal. Ngake sabu nkarwanga now because epigipigi kurina bono botuko oyali ne pigipigi paka gesonso nainde nerocha gonkonya korosigali nande nambo buri twachire kurukumbu nere ulimali nete bono mobe pigipigi ubo kendu obo it's better mo drop linde lionsi as tuarule no ale so we excused monto lwe pigipigi oliko na gutubwati tukamuteya agenda just go let us proceed drop oyo boy so I dropped the gentleman boy also came back to my place. Igo in this case abantu bonse tuwale na baro na ba drop twakora oikire
Yes.
oikire twamutiga oika twateba atebe kagoika.
Yes.
So later on she never communicated but we assumed that wakorire oikire because rende nturaigu. Now
Yes.
the following day nambo ritingambu ya mwararete nkamutebi yes my sister that is my text yes my sister. After that conversation ended. That is now the following day. Tukakora kuruabu. We never communicated till the Sunday of 29th. Sunday of 29th. Now, why are we here? This is now where I'm headed.
Yes.
Sunday yitarike mirongo ibiri na kianda. Monyaroko oyo. Konyoro ukundikira. Omwanji. How are you? Nataka usaidizi wako. Omwanji kwa kikisi inamaanisha kind of it's a what is that?
Or it's a name that is being used by those who are in love.
So it's like you say babe. Yeah. That thing na kire tincharaget. Ekara procedure karu mwanji na aje tanaenda kaburi babe. Why are you not responding? Ikibona anong chitenka muburi nkieke. Ikiokondo kabebu nkieke. What is this? Yeah. Because we have never dated. We have never been in love. Wangu wanete the other day tarehe 5 ya December. Igo motienye yo turaera tuchayakoroka na babe.
Yes.
So what is this? Kamuburi what is this? Agaseka. Agatoma chi emojis chogoseka. Karasaka na inche nkarura that I should not respond because tara iranili. So she made a call. Ngakira ante please iko nari gukuria because natagete onkonye ngwete nkogendo Kendu Bay. Kendu Bay ni function ya ngo ya bagere. There was a Luo music festival and a party. I was one of the guest singers wa Gusi baling invited in that event. So nkogenda naringi. Nkonyorogo ntebinga mbale twale kogenda na barabwo one promised that they were taking me to Kendu Bay. But later on no bantigaigo finally ekarongo ba Grace mibante bichigali chiabo go chichura na hande baikire Kendu Bay. Komotebi there is no problem onye gokogenda Kendu Bay. I don't have a problem gekogera rende roliane onye bwateli baga nande ngonde Kendu Bay. Why should I inkinta ko lift? So I told her there is no problem abongo koira Kendu Bay. But now in this case ekego determine usengo jure Kendu Bay no bwangu bwao gekogera nchini nsoke in the next 1 hour. Aye kera abenga turaba ready ase 1 hour eyo nabo tangikere agantebya I'm even ready. I'm prepared. I'm ready. Nogo soka woka tugende. Kuchwa kesabu na bugate anyomba ndebono na bugate mogeni nyomba gentleman friend como te bono what you do kwanza na hoture na Evans is the same guy we're talking about. Na hoture na Evans. So what you need to do ninchu nomanyete asegete na asegete ng'aye nimanyete abungo etande butambe nimbwate biasara ngokora on towards that route. So I usually pass by that place.
Yes.
Kama tebone kero waikira abwo, you can ask chisoja chikoro kimweriziki ng'ai ochiche nyomba kero wachire nyomba ebe meeting point.
Yes.
Ebe meeting point gekora njiti manyite mwaye nyomba ndajigote banchiko muikorwo. So kama they just come na otore na Evans, we shall leave after na call the meeting ndina this gentleman. So she came over ngomono chideke chiarenge chinke sana tukanyoroikire at my place tukamukaribisha agaikaransa tukana kugamba kego. So chikolo chikachaga goswa sisimiane nkobora ngayaya, let me excuse myself ngende se balcony ngambe nesimi gokora nesimi, I'll come back ba attend era nabeta ali nabete. It was a call yaringegeka WhatsApp call yaringegeka. So monkwano akaba impatient na ended it's because yabugate some other business yali kuchokora agachaga nte kind riziki nge excuse nkoreke ngende because nimbugate client kianganywire town ngende mu attend kuchwake sabrende since tinda kora simiyeye na inde it was an important call kama excuse matebyaye and we will talk. Igo yotegere sitting room ningo nenyaroka the lady. So I proceeded with the phone. After a few minutes later nkaiwe mirangwe go akraniwa nkaiwa from the side ya balcony ere na kwanza buna toikana sta. This is the balcony where we are. Ero kwenda go chialia alias camera chire. That is the sitting room. On your hand ogotani to your left side, that is where inner entrance iko kwere go chia se chirumu chonsi chira se nyombe yo even bedroom even washroom even kitchen even what. So ebwate chonsi so nko igwo wakra ni mirango ya guchimalia mirango wakra ni. I didn't take it a big deal because na rego kageranga na nago kagera nago kageranga bana basubati mbaba hivi. Yeah. So na rego kagera
short yani okoranga boyo imbuli exist.
No, obwebingo exist bore,
yes.
But in ladies and again basubati bare kanisa.
Yes.
You see that is the difference.
Yeah.
This is a lady I've known from a straight person.
Yes.
A straight person I'm talking about. Igona mumanye kuruwa so motel. Tore in the same line.
Yes.
Naende kwetane bo igona mumanya as a singer ogotere in the church as a choir. Naende igona mumanya as a stongy Christian. So why should I think of ngana weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have every right to go tarengerebo. Nkagenda njine call yana as usual. Later on nkoganya rendenga maybe taraira na rendenga kiataira na igabono ngakiregeka. I thought maybe gagenda ochikurigie washroom maybe ekonye sengenjo tari familiar na nyombeye na mirango yonsi gebwekaine.
Yes.
So takomanya washroom norori we kitchen ngai we bedroom norori. That was my thinking maybe na washroom ngachikurigie. So nchengagenda na communication later nkaiwa oire ne sitting room kagenda ngakora kango kora nkoirana from the balcony nkonyora this lady igona mutigatore a calm lady ole composed, but in this case kangoja nkomonyora ateneine so ekera ateneine ari no muntu konyegeri gura nizi or utari settled wetani bo oswetri to a point akonguse savieti akona gokora iga again. She's not looking at me directly. Nkomwori, what might be the problem? Gekora rinagotia kurubia inki ya kwapeneri ntenga yaya so agokwano kwa people. Yeah, and I think maybe this is anyway. Nkomworia, are you okay? Ngayaya mananye a certain call disturbing a meeting nere mwento to attend urgently in town. She never disclosed ngayo to attend the meeting. I told her no problem. Toriko genda Kendu Bay. The plan we had no kwenda Kendu. Toriko genda agankani ante. Since I never had anything with her, I never had a relationship as it is being alleged. Now what the relationship taring instrumental in any way as a Savarian, maybe taring my driver, taring my camera person, kusitare gonkonya in any way. I released her kama tewe sawa utafika tu vizuri ngaikaranze kero kelia sai karanze sat. So I started responding back to some people bali kondigia say simi kabora ngati kambaira ne message yabo manya go sokanye set sokengendo kedube. A few minutes later karongo kagenda to my bedroom ngenda nchikobugolie simi bugoli ne kabunguo kiegari. I proceeded to the function. To my surprise, the car keys are intact. There is no phone. The first thing that came into my mind, can it be that I isimi yego na yebe gitasa ngao na bono nkuligia ngao koyaya putambe abantu kuna ratuli kubeke gentasi gite bona bono rinacha macha rinatere kansa my mind inye setting anon kubeka. So bintu mbere kero kubeka baithe mono nyemwao umanyeti your mind ikomanyanga no ndi bwebete na bokonyoranga no bigitasigite.
Yes.
Again simi taligento gesinini kere invisible. So there is no window atebenga maybe go ya once ye gento gose seye kwerende
kayerigie kabora in short.
So haikukwa pale.
Yes.
The first thing I came into my mind, I suspected that lady. Kama suspect and she took some time. I called her. The first call, she never responded. I called her the second time. She never responded. Kumbe, that is why I cannot go sweat. That is why I cannot go and get. That is why I cannot uneasy. Away.
Yes.
So that gave me more reasons to say is that maybe Gairisim. But again, this is a lady in the church. How come? Let me have the footage from my phone. Because of my own reasons, nimbwate current connected to Sesame. Yeah, Sean. So, kuboranga tikandigereri footage. Itali footage ya 1 hour or 2 hours later. Let me look at it because the footage that I can get. I looked. I play back. Kaligereri. Ndole movement y'abantu abonse gekora nende tinje korengereria no yubweka yekora tayeri bwikuringa nyomba. Yeah, na ndere ntro jera kati echi bali bandi balenga nagenda bathroom ne sibia.
Yes.
So nale kumanya what is happening on the other side. So nale como suspect we nkabora ngatikandigeria footage angoligeria footage yekonga details that igaimoka from where she was seated, footage ya sitting room nero, footage ya yichirumu echinero. So gacha ocho igora otenena ikara tenena oigora murango oyemo urerogora oigora murango oyonde ure mata yobono no royobe. So ikara igora rora iganyora this is not a bedroom, oigora mata nyora this is bedroom. Ekara soime igaswa otenena origereria ororo proceed to where the phone was because it was feasible. Wate similia kara wate simili oyerigereri oyerusie cover la yerusie cover oyiranie cover oyira where it was oyira no choy karansa on my bed oy karansa getanda obwate simiaya ongusa simiaya bon wate simiaya ongusa bwe yake selfie kare yake selfie igawe yake selfie ase bedroom ya mwabande.
Yes.
Na ase getanda kya mwabande. Then igawa bono ga I'm asking igabona I'm panicking kwe boli maswali mange why in this kataba let me be patient, let me watch the clip. Akakora kare yake bicha akarine miaya ase mufuko we jeans. She proceeded alia sera netie simi akanyingusa akayerigereria nanda akayirani. I think it maybe okora atagetaye buguri but yagafia ngaki umuntu maybe uri ngona call despite ina waiting long call tare komanya bwango kisimi yeraire. So aga irana back to ese ekarore kia renge ekarore mira akaenda gatena ase mira akirigiriria akerigiriria akarusia wiper ageti nyine wiper akaira na bono refresh akaikaranza sitting room karanza sitting room mwali sarenge tabe ti settled ya handa akaimoka. So I think igachita chikwira na igu am I still gekore conversation yako deno nabo ko ngo muntu bone conversation is ending. Yeah.
Yes.
So she came akaigwa what nkingo kwana na inde aga approximate how long it take are you seeing. So akabege keke kana inde akaimoka akaenda na bono to the bedroom where she had seated. This time around igagenda straight to where iranetie simiri.
Yes.
Obogorie simiri osoka agacha akaenda to the sitting room kayebeke to mufuko wa jeans akaikaransa nere kirogo rekaranse kirogo akakira akanyora bado riziki na agenda tene simi akagatha courage akayerusia akabaka se handbag yae ya black abogoreti bono rinchen kare ko balcony already or chiro strategized or gather courage obogore that phone obekire mufuko obekire sekurende rinko mo release yaga body mo release riyare go sweat already ne esim yare ko motantani so kero number release yogenda go number release yogenda ne sim without my knowledge igai kabono kairora ko mwakire sim naende nkamotebi Troch kabira tabugate tibono kabira tabugate
bona abuguli
bon this time nande nairora ko mwakira
yes
bona arocho bugata
bubuli
baba nande nabona mu address it
yes
baba my sister where are you okoseka inki why are you asking me why are you concerned dear sin kamotebi yaya I'm concerned ukubulia sorry because kwa irire sime yana akantebi yaya disikinga kinale ko irisimi ga kabapita bono kaba akachaka drama uno yo kuomana ina mubuli ina kind note ochaka kuomana ngakikwani kwandara ikranacha buo yani ningekuwa malaika nale kubali laika manya soka kubika chisimi chao yani ngakimogotorora imogoto chaya abantu bande agachaka ne toni okuweira nanna no kwenengeta kamo stop ngamotebi no in this case I have a footage mwanega una wacha I have a CCTV bono I have a footage I'm sending it on a short note tiganye screen record I forward it to your WhatsApp so that you'll get your movement how you did unakuwa again ochiko agaseka so she started okoseka buno muntu turabaina the first question about it kwani uranyora rende yani umwanju why you being that serious uranyora rende nale kokotema you sing so this thing ekaronkolgere in the connection yebicha yakwa in the bedroom initially she had called me so na lero naende uchire buyakire bicha secretly in my bedroom naende ga ekara na motebiri ngana monyore na very sure iresi na ndo address that way. What is this? Keke entertain this lady. Kamotebi, whichever way, whether no mwanju, whether not, kindly ntebinga yore, ongesimi you. She told me, I'm in a meeting. Gongo so a meeting, ake, ngo kore meeting yeyo, ninkore teresi. Kumvuri rende bono.
na admitted na what
Bwanchire.
okay
Ekeranja, naliaru rojaga gwetantani ngamara ali kulgere feature ade ma yesime then a question comes ngakikuare go access this phone because it is locked
yes
yeah because isimi yaonye na enyori kere locked no nyene bicha ninge akere ngakinda ye access because you're locked tinkonya timobole tibo why did you trespass kagwacha mwanaza visitor na ali kuira Kindu Bay why did you trespass to go into my bedroom uchikopokulie simi talenge ya orende maybe onye kware wade maya nga my brother mheshimiwa na abwati simi ngabone yo ngabo this has been my dream phone bono rende kerere my dream phone nga naende na matebeti yango rebuneye sijui nimbwate boyfriend na sijui pia nilimwambia my dream phone bono gona enyora I wanted to kateba binte biko adapt
what is kesi metokwa neche serenga
this is a Samsung S24
yes
worth 250,000
okay
yeah
nachokwa ya
yatayere titukeli no nyene sabali nale kuchikindu bina banatiga nkomuligi bono manually
yes
acha kumurigi manually because igaika ondoji ontebi nkukurare meeting yantebi nanyora tariko ng'akira simi back na ande kero kumwakira tariko buguri so nacha kumurigi na itete joint isa to in Kisii town otema kugezi renda aseme kutane gokoru usini nyoro kanyora tayo kujua ke sababu this is a wastage of time tingori muntu manually tiganti kenkakanya the following day on that yet I engaged her kumburia simi. This conversation is flowing. I have the messages. I shared the evidences to the police. I shared to the footage. But kumburia footage ase nini asa mangana online nga. Why inkiata iko share footage to us? Torore. The procedure of a case kere police, if I may guide them. Again, to ekuru footage. Ekero ya tokire. Ya ego chwak intendera buna obo shahidi.
Yes.
Footage yeli ga kogenda yakorerwa gento gekuru scrutiny yachunguzwa yapelelezwa bana korworo baya kora approval from the DCI kera baya korera approval bago koyerus from your hand banyebeka sakurukwa a flash. Even them, they are not allowed koyebeka sejisimi chao. They are only allowed koyebogoria se a flash of issue flash yao, flash disk. So kera babekra se flash disk. The investigative officer omobisori ko investigate this issue igago demand from you delete that footage from your hand. Once you delete this footage from your hand nebanga igo kwaye bwate kwaye save assessment yao, you won't be allowed because it nere gutumika as ushahidi. You will not be allowed ko publish it anywhere or to share it anywhere. By the end of the day, if you do so, it is called ogo interview ne case kya ndata gukora uchunguzi. So there is no way Riziki share the footage already yacheta sama boko ye sheria. Now this case
wacha kwenda police because wangira kwa simu
bono tindaika na temire gukora gento ekuru diplomacy.
Yes,
we are Christians. Ekara mangana buna yabeira oyu no muntu ntakagirete ngana abaiga.
yes,
the first person involved no monto namanyete kurwa sa omonto namanyete turuhimu namotebeti ngenyarokeye ya chabone kangibere simi ekarangibera kurwabwo na chitagancha ngana irete simie ekarancha irete simie oberogo okona kugamba okomborigo yona njite kamotebi yes nanjite conversation kuna gutwara tole engagement diplomacy unatwara kuna kugamba. And that is wrong. So agakira that way. So namo engage further. Unakomukwanira. The conversations are there. Message inko engage both chia normal na WhatsApp. Both calls chia WhatsApp na both calls chia kawaida. All along igawancha nganko ngare simi. Lakini bono mochanda te kongere simi ngagari busy. Gagontebinga I will return it to you anytime. Ogendera this way. That the following day, 30th, Rigaeta, 31st, she told me na yaya, my brother Nantoma, ntigote niramangana ye project yubugaji, wagendrete boy. Ubugaji yubuiga, ekeranga mtenene chifundi, bono, nganye ngokora by 5 in the evening. That was on that first Friday. Ekerona akolire. Bono, this is the day to alcohol to rest that friend Efani Elia and us to achitiri. Ogontebinga bono ngokora igentongo kora igo ngokora teresimiyu to town chinsante beti 11 marogo basa 11 saa 11 chigaika because I kept time ngoaka tabuli simi ngoaka tabuli tinko mo text later on gocha kumwakere yo mweli agacha kubwata bono agantebinga tinko nyara gocha chifundi chie cha my brother gocha chi mbwata so I can't make to come because chibese chiambrango ngoaka na babundi aba so I can't make it to town. Bono ngaka ngeli busita ngaka nechivundie chimanye gocha. And then a question comes, ubwaga chubutari bwao, this is not your project. Any project yo mwana mino no mwana mino na bwate njirago di nababundi ba all along.
Yes,
why can't you hand over babundi to your brother gekora ikwale ngente ninera ikara kwa bando irova ayo proceed to town to your business or chocolate ongesim. Little did I know is maybe esimieli aragairete chibese chiargo nsaba 6,000. It was another strategy. Maybe. It was another strategy Yoko King Riziki has been sending me money has been made transactions
Yes.
to my phone.
Uh-huh.
I thank God I never made any transaction. I never sent any money to her. Ekora gona agite maswali nkaranga yaya. Simirudi ajiri. Andi chwe si jinganje kwa baadaye nesi. How true is that?
Yes.
Kama taileta ibono robunura akoro ikitauni ongi simi and kindly ngalero. The conversations are there. I think some of you mga go through those conversations mwaligereri. So kama tebia tema ga kyo yengerero. She never responded. Akagenda mute. Finally akagenda off. That was on that 1st December. First, namubo kereke mambi. Namu engage. She never responded. Oja correspond saa 5. Konte bingo mheshimiwa uyu akoroka brother yae. Ngagangira. Atoira. NDS first nini celebration Kisumu. Bono togokora ningiche. Then a question on kwevoringa ki. Igorenda, are you willing to give this phone to me? Because all along no kuna goeta town yam naonde busonga. I'm even willing come avoiding. Where you are, I'll just pick it. No on tebi go say no nebanya mira, I'll just come to pick it from there, from wherever. No I go on tebi nganju Kisumu. Na bona I go on Kisumu, erante where she is, I just pick it. So kamubori, why are you complicating a small issue? Koven konguga. Because ngakyo weta kisi town, kwagenda to Kisumu bona one tebi nkuganya. Anyway na kuganya. Kamuganya. Antebeti ko bara ni 6 in the evening. 6 in the evening. Timorochi. Simingwaka. Siminjirigoswa. Later on akandikira nga tutatoka saa 6 usiku. Saa 6 yengaranga, this is a strategy. You go frustrate them more. So that yako nalisho atingo monganya town paka saa 6. Lakini nkamotebia, I'll wait for you. Yeah, I was so determined. Dekara moko this conversation chirali. I was so determined. I told her, yes, I'll wait for you. Nkamoganya. Kamuganya sana. Paka saa 7 ya butuko. In one of the places Chiabusongo guy. Kakanya. Akukuja. Karongwa kesimi. In this case, na ambe divertri. User busy. Nga proceed ngaba disappointed nkagenda to my place. Second, kwaru etebogere. Wacha correspond go since 8. Ngaina aru etororo. Lakini bono gonde meeting with my baby daddy. All these I'm saying they are there. I give them as evidences. Mbirali. Igombwete meeting na iso mwana one na abantu basobo na nje n'abantu batsasito. Como that is good. In town or no, not in town. Como voli aralia. It's out of town but within Kisii. Akirenti toko ntebi na bongo changu yesimi. Na bongo tomano eno muntu. Yeah, you frustrated me enough. Tell me where you are. Silently to that message. Akantebi, wacha nikimaliza nitakutafuta. So she kept on playing with my patience. Akatema that way, ilitukere mbili, ikaera. So the guys we were with, bakantebi, this lady we feel, she's not a straight person. Yeah, she's not going to hand over that phone to you any soon. Yeah, and we have tried to do our uchunguzi kidogo. The lady might not be that straight. Straight. No, she's so that evening, now you behave like a scammer. Because you got with Tororo, Agantevinga, Naruri meeting Gaiga, Nganya Karango Chakoba, Ebo correct receiving correct. It go on 3rd the following day, 3rd of January. Come engage 3rd, it was on a Friday. Iga no kuna komoebereria marietonsi na ari koyegwa nabo nari kumuruka komoebereria akibaba kwa nchandire chi message nabo muri krete amaena I was kind enough so koma akondikira bono this is what made me feel so heartbroken. Akandikira in Nairobi require meeting rende ne simiora wrong tegete bono ngakikwa Nairobi rero wacha kwa na chega alia na koji kurukisi kwa proceed to Nairobi. Nesimye yego na kwa rasanga, this is what I'm using on my daily jobs. Nakirendo wa proceed kwa ganda Nairobi. Akikwa ntika busunga utare kora mining atiganda umuntu uyu. Tiganda ali jari lizimia. Tigandire ni. Kama they now you are a thief. Yeah. Can you confirm you are a thief? Bono gana patience ya na ya eri. Bono gana onyo bo Kristo buga keire.
Yes.
Bono gange ngutumeka tore manyinga mwanya bantu. Nkamotebi, you are a thief,
Yes.
you are a scammer, and I don't fear to say this. I say this authoritatively. I'm quoting what I wrote to her.
Yes.
Agante, you have every right to feel so. You have every right to feel that I'm not straight. Now, do whatever you can do. Do whatever you can do, go wherever you can go. She declared a war.
Yes.
On that same evening, I made a report. At where are those things? I made a report at Central Police Station. I don't know even to be.
It's okay. Kama ziko.
Kananga nabona yeah. Kanko na kogendra na buli yakwenda alete. I'll go back to the story bado.
Mada sabiri.
Nabako mwa yeah. Nabogo chango mwanyerere and all those things, those documents as we proceed.
Mpendwa, basi unazidi kutizama jinsi ambavyo Bernard Riziki yupo hapa kwenye mazungumzo na mahojiano moja kwa moja. Anajaribu kuelezea jinsi kisa hiki ambacho mnazidi kukiona kimekuwa kikikua, jinsi walivyoanza mawasiliano na mdada huo, jinsi alivyopata fursa ya kuingia kwake, na jinsi sasa story hii ya kuibiwa simu inazidi kujengeka, na anajaribia kuwa katika ile break ya kutuambia alienda kwa polisi akaandikisha kisa hiki. Na anapokunywa maji kidogo, ni zidi tu kuwakumbusha kwamba Bernard Riziki ambaye amekuwa ni mwimbaji wa nyimbo za country music kwa muda mrefu, ambao mnamzidi kumfahamu, ndio yupo hapa kwenye kikao ambacho tunafanya pamoja na Mwamugusi Television pamoja na Gather Point Media kwa mbashara. Maswali muda ule utakapofika tuanza kumuuliza na ataweza kujibu kulingana na jinsi ambavyo mtayaandika chini. Kwako tena Riziki, uzidi kuteremka, uendelee na hapo tu ambapo umeweza kufika.
Asante sana ndugu yangu Emmanuel. So atakapoleta zile stakabadhi tutaweza kuonyesha mtazamaji. So tulianza kufuata njia ya sheria, tukaandikisha report, tukapewa OP number nambari 89 OP number 83 katika kituo cha polisi cha Central. Uchunguzi ikaanza immediately, wakaanza kumtafuta. Hii wakati wote huyu msichana na bang'ainerereti sana riagoteba Nairobi are kumbe tai Nairobi are, because the first thing after report nogotema go track baroro muntu uyu ng'iyare, so gagoteba gari Nairobi. Ekero aba DCI bakumuburigia banyora gari asakuru kwa igari asakuru kwa Jokvilla Nyamataro. Gari Jokvilla Nyamataro bamubugati sana, that is now on 4th. bamubugati ogenda uruoro na area ya daraja mbili ogenda Nyanchwa. So gaba gatebo chiri nyomba pakamboli Riziki, do you know where the lady stays? Kabatebi yaya timanyiti asamenyete specifically igomanyete asamenyete asitwa modrobet tinkumanya gusi now was the year ronchira iguru bononjera nyomba jitaba. I can't be able to know uziga. So I tried ko batebirende bateme kumolocate further but where she is bagantebe mwayale. So what we need to know no kumanya boye ngai the location just crazy na bono monta ise gotolocate nabo monta koranga goturi mwalimu bata kumanya story mwalimu gusinyara specific. Yeah, that is how the bajita bagakora. Now tukaranga ganto tokore bakuri the help of a friend, a close friend yae. So tukanyora a lady who is a friend, tukamurigia this lady akatokonya kogenda boye. Kero togo ikaboye tukaboria management ya soba samanyete caretaker tukumuburi oyo igano oyo naro igotwa tunabagani tokogenda mwaye gatutebe no ale oitire chideka nke sana chiaetire ange 40 minutes nyombale tukamanya ndenda no ale oito gatokonya gutwira murango togo ikotokonyora abasigite nichitaye chirimete nkomwakire simu yane, she didn't pick my call. I called bunana leterende bunatale kubuguli tale kubuguli nande Nairobi alirende. So tukatema gwaka sana, she didn't pick. I told the lady, now temango kumwakira nesimu yane. When that lady called her immediately, she picked. Ako kwana kwa bedroom nga mali yangaki biyanda. Nje Nairobi inde. Lori mali omutebiri nga twacha mwao. Tuli na baba riziki. Ibante bindi na togo chabuo. She said, yeah, nje Nairobi inde nandi tina kwa na riziki. Mkuna riziki. Kaiwa waka na chesim. Nanda agake that lady, the second round. Akamuvuri muri gasieli. Later on, akangi simili. Nkabora atara alimitiga meko mwakira nge ya nirende. Turo sinabori. Na nje nkamwakira. I called her again. Kuna na mwakira araka bwata immediately. Mutebaba mbuyore. Bona Nairobi ya sori na into no tulike siri. Gasi kwacha Nairobi usinu utawala usenga ina into no tulike siri. Geko na boto gwetu na ukwana from my bedroom. Are you seeing? So tukamotebi na otori mwa siri. What I need akitokonye simi because rene ngwasi tukoleta katwajire ko yoyi. Ai na boko toro te must otoigorere buo. Na boko toere from dirisha yao ya room yao. Tugwetu na ukwana ku nyumba. Eti mimi niko Nairobi na into Nairobi tole. Kakina bo toereri. Akaiwa kalimie simi akamakolike message yako tebanga wacha kunifuatilia maisha yangu. Pasigari bali barenge ko kole kwenda bagantebi. What we do? Then toko break your band, that is illegal. Toko korakende. Yes. Utara ego chi order. We went back. Asenge nchobona jita kamanya kuligi gwara gachi akabura pi. Naboko etabu ya whatever nga she's not around. So until ekerona inde the babisaba DCI bacha komo track banyora that she's banyora bakomubolinga yule bateba no ali nyumba iko tuwataka toko emirimo ya catering twigwete ngo korora mangana catering akarwa ragateba yengo korande tukobwate nyangi tare mutinyo gatatu not necessarily into the details buna ba koleta but rende the tractor
kiningo korale kora catering
no, that was a language rende that was she said na mpaka manyete mbachu ngusita bakaranga na gatebete she does so. Yes, okay. So baka use that as a weakness yoko monyora. So she came in one of the hotels asaba gwana ntabomerane ekaracha aroracha koragera so bakabanga buya bakamuchira in that hotel but since batale konyara kumu identify batageta bakonye bwane bakanga engage bakanga involve bakabagana bakabatuma abandi bakabali bakandi bakabansa so na inchi nkagenda lende chikokoraki chikomo identify.
Okay, this is all tutetiko because time has gone and ndo chenga chakara kachinsa chiaragire chinsa chiwende koraga bonaiga. Theodore liope.
So tiga summarize that. Mbamu igurwo bagenda bajikuganya bamonyore bang involve nagenda alia nanyora no ikara one of the tables nabasani bakuragira. Immediately she saw me agasoka no bukuma. I've never seen that one in my life. Yeah. Asare kuragira abagusitu kuragira namaboko. Yes, this way. Bono manyeteka rokondra my brother say Emmanuel na vanko goserete ukanda gotebinga tiganti saba maigo soka. Yes. But she left namaboko namakumakoboko nindagira.
Yani agasoka ta isabe.
Agasoka buno monto gotama. Okay. Bunago soka. So I signaled Valinka Batebi so rende vakamanage kumu arrest. So she was arrested on 7th of January. This is the Hopi. This is the Hopi number 1. If they will zoom, igere Hopi number 84. Ya better recorded tare tatu. They can zoom. Now this is the Hopi ya mubwatite. Okay. Akabwatu tare 7.
Yes.
Karabwatwa naburiwa onchira na nabwate simi.
Yes.
Usually we know omuntu genuine. No ababi matengo ikabari baba genuine. Osibatali go cyane. Omubi na bano ibu nararo rindi narochi kandi na iru yalia. Mubi ori kominyokiwa. Karabwate turabasigari. The first thing ekaraba muikerete Thika Road, along Thika Road, bakamubwata bakatange gari yae akanyorobere cornered. That guy surrendered. So the rule yo monte karabwate kwabere wakagairu nandi no bwateke ekekwaira usually the law of nature no surrender. So she said she has a phone bono akabori wa surrender the phone to the police station. She never surrendered the phone. Instead agaja kuri threats unasoba baraba nene no mumrumu abaro mugambi no mumrumu abata connection unata akore rukende. She's threatening the officers. Bakaiguboro bakamubeka cell. Remember Rizika I never take responsibility ngatigabuga to court. Kona mubuga to what I'm interested with. That is it.
Okay.
Na ande gancha and we expected that. So akaruoro akaba dramatic bakaruoro bakamubeka cell. Kama mubeka cell na akire brother yai. But the brother called me. I expected the brother ambolie what happened, what transpired, the arrest y'omwana mwabo moerese kurwabo intervene akuwa nene nyaruke ya mwabo they usually twensi tobwata wa siblings. I cannot be happy Riziki that my brother or my sister or one of our family members can misbehave so mwana one nga na misbehave outside here nga because Riziki omwabo na arebo kumo bail. Whenever I go and mess up with people, that I'll come in hand bail. So I expected the brother to take an initiative, apply wisdom, ate yumwana uli mwa because no mokasari. Amotevi baba this is wrong, and onye gwa kora igambobe, kaki, simi you know you wate. Irani livono Riziki, amangana yuaere, na ende saba Riziki okuavera. Those are the words expected from the brother.
Yes.
But the brother what told me? The brother told me, that is my sister. Na abo moibi, even if he's a thief, that remains to be my sister. Na anything kurigere my sister, ara resell, ndo, I'm able to bail out, and I'm able to do anything. Kaitata. Kakumirende. So finally, nabakoleta anything ekyo. Without fear, I'll say here online, the brother compromised the OCS Kisii Central. And that one I'm not, I don't fear. Because why are we here? It's because this matter was not handled professionally. This matter was not given justice. This matter ngechiete koewa chinguru chirichiaga neirie ke wobolito naende ke handled onye no mwana yasabwe simiri amangana aya aere from there amasikaniabe. But the gentleman was compromised, was given money. The lady was released the following day without my consent. She was released from the police custody unconditionally.
Simu
hajaleta simu, amekubali amechukua simu, lakini hajaleta simu. Zaidi ya hapo amekuwa released, na si eti anakuwa released from the cell saa 2 ama saa 3. Amekuwa released 5 in the morning unconditionally. What is unconditionally? Without cash bail ama without, kama unaona huyu mtu ako vulnerable hawezi lipa cash bail na tunataka tumpe haki yake ya kutokuwa ya kuwa nje mpaka siku tutamuita aende kotini, mumpatie free bond. So there was no cash bail nor free bond. There was nothing written that the lady was. Sasa mimi ninakuja saa 2 nilikuwa nimealikwa nikuje so that ni confirm statement ya yule msichana kama ameandika. From there we proceeded apatiwe haki yake ya kuchukuliwa kotini, kwa sababu kama amekataa kupeana kitu ambacho ameiba na amekubali ako nacho na kuna evidence enough ataki kupeana, ni ana proceed to court. So I expected waharakishe uchunguzi na wamchukue kotini that very day, kwa sababu mtu hawezi lala kwa cells zaidi ya siku moja if it's not a weekend. Sasa mimi wakanizungusha hapo na wauliza, where is my mabusu wangu wako wapi? Nataka kumuona, where is she? Eti yako hapo tu, wewe maliza vitu zako, tutaproceed, ataenda kotini. I said no, nataka kuona mabusu wangu, nataka kumuona kwa cell. Yeah, because ntinomo Kristo maragobeli umwana we natebete na arwarete, lakini ndeka arwarete na ande nabwata maumivu na ulcers nenda nkuruma yale. I expected ngarende kwa rumwenda no bwategenteke kwa iro kurwobe free. Why can't you give it? Kurwabo nkanyoleke ntoke kurwanga, she was dying on the line of duty, if I may say. She was dying on the line of duty. Mbu yali saying itira heseli, lakini gentombu ateneke nene tindi kwena na this is a deal I won't give. So nkobora rende ka hatebete nkurumwarenda neli busiriana nabongo mugora nonye na mabere moereri rende as we are waiting abe proceeded to court. Kogenda nkorigereri tayo ayosi yes nga yo busiriana yo siasi akarigiririse ya yangarisi nkabekebera tibusiria nende gitu. I was so dramatic to be precise, and I was so strict on that. Ekerante ebi ngomanyete twamuririze ti okay mukamuigurira ngomanyete neba ni nyaruka ya mino yarenge tokwala nonya naye ya igo muran serve justice.
Yes.
Muamuririze under which condition?
Yeah.
Muamoe cash bail, where is it? Cash bail ngayere peyo muamwalende free bond, muamoe free bond mwaroranga yota konyara ku raise cash bail tigatomoe free bond toje tomujikendia iran. There was nothing like that. Karona atindia gaiga timba tebetia sinko genda ngasoka. I went to OVC ya ODPP Kisii. I made a report ngateba I've taken my case umoibia kabwatwa na ando igorirwa unconditionally. Again take kabaga sana kagachuma prosecutor. They made a call baga demand a file ya anelia ebe forwarded to their office for scrutiny, ever forwarded to court. Omonto yaba arraigned to court. Alibacha kotema bakora bagenda bate yumonyaro kuryurika ngere na irite simi. Yes, that is correct. Lakini esimi irite kurwa siriziki nesimi tofauti. It's Samsung different ikurukuze Samsung what. Tayeye nkoburi. And I had given them the document of the phone I was asking for. Lakini bona rakoteba the phone irite ngao. Zaidi ya hapo baruro the witness to abegeta testify ngentara go testify ngeringa nje nindawe muisikoyo naje toriziki. Only that. Baruro over compromised. Otebanja, I'm not ready to testify in this case. I'm not ready to witness. I'm not ready to cover part of this case. And what happened? Patrende. Why should you proceed your file you've got insufficient evidence to the ODPP? Ekarombuate sufficient evidence now, but I have even a CCTV footage. I have a CCTV footage. Yes. Why can't you take it as evidence? I have the messages. You mano ya wanjanga na iriti simi. And she's willing to return it, but she has not.
Yes.
Why? Igao ikire orikire message o change the statement.
Yes.
Yogoteba ekerebono aba forced kulike statement. Bayunga byasambire kuruguru DPP bamenyoka bakubogera balike statement yagoteba nche Riziki, we have been in a relationship. Riziki tuwabera banji, we have been dating for a year. Orika that statement. My question, I think if I were the investigative officer, kuna bono, nashukuru sana maafisa wenye wameshikilia hii kesi sitawataja, wamejaribu kuuliza hayo maswali yote because aliwaambia the same thing. Mmekuwa mkidate na Riziki for a year. Where are the photos? Anyway, I'll come there. Now, they proceeded the file to the ODPP. Obviously, ekere file ya chiri bwato botutukana bunobo igekoba declined. Ekere kesi igekiabere declined, ige kesi igekiakanirwe. Unless much na fresh investigation. Ekere kiaba declined. I have the evidence. Footage is enough even. It doesn't need someone to testify. I'm the witness in this. Wetanibo. The message is mbwata. As an investigative officer, you should advise me to print this conversation as evidence to attach. But I realized they wanted to frustrate me.
Yes.
Saying that you want to condition kiango na aruarete. Then a question comes. Onyo bwate condition gusine yale se mwateba kiango. Rindo onyo mwale kuri onye condition nero yale kuru justice. Angalende kesenje mbwate condition. Ebwende ekurifisi kwa ekoro mbwende kuri remote benga this guy as a condition gaki.
Yes.
Tikatomosabu na mabirayo. Karuororo, I went further. Kanganyalende. Now about declining rikineke. Na chetu to higher offices. I made reports there. Kuna na very frustrated. Kana sababu na very frustrated kinakiane. Igaora along, I'm dealing with a thief. Ekinambwate ne kyobo ibi. Patigi achire gekire mutu ari yonchuru kyabere kyobwanjani. That yabantaba igobalinge asobwanjani for a year. So again, declined. The higher officers demanded umonyarokoli aberi arrested nainde kose airanelie again togekorokwa airanie simi willingly bakambolinga before we take further action, because we can take an action umonyarokoli atanje that is wrong. We can take an action era asaliri omuntu nonye nemirimo nanchi ngachukua mirimo y'umuntu ngusarikire nkabura yaya tingwanja tigari yorio kuna bantebiri ng'ang'i involved diplomacy nteme ngatema ku involve mwana oyo ngoterari nkotema kogenda ase abantu nonye na seniors bayaria sakoba n'abasani baye bari senior kubatebega kimukwanirega mutebe nekara tararete simi you because I'm not going to give up. It's like your monta changu rerurie. I use this car amakoro nimbwate mechana tingocha kuna gwetana registry. I use this car simirimo yani in my daily work. So akara ngurire nte comparalyzed. So I will not give up any soon. Mukwanira mama tebi nekara iraniri.
So because of time, huh? Because of time, I don't know.
I have something maybe for those who are following along.
Yes.
It could be that this thing is a long, continuous form.
Yeah, very long.
That it began last year around June, July, as stated by Riziki, coming to December when he was having his music affair, and even coming up to the point of arrest.
Yes.
But he did not get the result, as he's trying to tell us. And even as we come to the second part, whereby you'll be the conclusion now, and give a brief before we give our questions. Riziki could be asking you a question. As you are doing all these things, jinsi ambao unazidi kufuatilia mambo yameingia kwa online ama bado? The online community mpaka hii time ambapo amekuwa arrested, taken, ametoka, hayo mambo yameingia kwa watu online ama yamekuja kufika DPP online?
Asante. Kwa wakati huu vile nilisema mwanzo, haya mambo hayajaingia online, kwa sababu haingekuwa vizuri niende nimutangaze kwa mitandao kwamba huyu ni mwizi na ameniibia, na ile hali amekubali kwamba ataleta simu, na wakati ameshikwa bado sikuwa na uhuru ama sikuwa na, I'm not allowed to go and say it online kwa kuharibia huyu jina, and yet uchunguzi unaendelea na hii nilireport na kesi inaendelea. So I didn't publish it anywhere. I didn't share it to my status. I didn't share it to Facebook. I didn't share it to TikTok. If there is anyone who saw it, Riziki sharing this that the thief stole a phone from me, you can say that tuliona hiyo. So haya mambo haya kwa online. Zaidi ya hapo nikimalizia, nikiconclude
na ndikuri maswali abiri cyaso nitu isimi noire simi yasire up to date so nacho hereta
ya yereta
igabwatwa
nero ekero kubwatwa wa kabere kwaba it is when abwatwa in a dramatic arrest obwatwa yatoka na wale nesimi kare yatoka na wale nesimi
simi incorporate yari
nera agotumeka
bo ikanyorete password
igachitaga kaenda Nairobi simi itukoye flash raisi goikonyora some experts, so might be that she traveled all the way to Nairobi akagenda maybe, and that this thing tells me, that is my own opinion and that is my feeling, that she's not new in these games. Because kogenda so ochikoligia so ko flashes imebuneye igono manyete might be no what connection, so she went akaflash akakuja akaanza kuitumia, so akaweka nini yake akisema ni yeye wa kwanza kutumia simu.
So nabwatire simi police
nabwatire abwatwa la Sabbath ekera abwatwa igatoka na wale nesimi as an exhibit ikaba police ekera abwatwa nabo uri kunaenda naba interrogated uboligwa babanga kikwanya wale simi ya kurwa Riziki oteba the same statement esimi yego na yenyora kurwa Riziki etwarenga sobwanje ne bumwaka oyomo agastiki yarasike ntekyu etwaba sobwanje ne bumwaka oyomo mugima Riziki ondetera esimi ya as a gift. Okay, before that ako esimi ya 250,000 as a gift igochi gift inchire chinkensa chichiri bubere chieri buchia 500 nako koeni ngangura tumirare chibese mpesa igo I knew 6,000 chirara kusaba previously as I mentioned was one of the exhibiting Riziki on tumire chibese. So agateba nkura ntumirare mpesa. Do you have any photos mwakiramo na Riziki chikoro kile no one is enough nabo mugwa kwesi mino muntu? Do you have any? Okana ngaya I don't have.
Asante.
Whatever no, whatever yes I have. Ekerateba I have. I'm now concluding. Then I give you a chance more bully. So ekerateba nabwate oboligwa. So I'm landing where mangana ya chita online. Ekeranchira nangana bwate binte byonsi oboligwa ngabona bireta. Byamobora. Otebe si minyombe kare ko kwasi mwingine. ataleta on Monday. Tukaewa uguchika tukachikwa on Monday tarehe 8 tarehe 10. Monday was on 17th I think. Yeah, uchikwa agende police station ya Nyanchwa tugendo twensi chinsa ibere chia mambi achiche na mangana ali evidence egere abe served justice. I left my house at 7:45 kogenda lende nganyale evidences kiri atebete kabera Nyanchwa karora bali babwate kina karora Moses tukamuganya no Moses because no Moses umuchigete Moses yakaroyeka sana na gantebe msichana ni kama hajakuja sijui ni kwa nini ngamate maybe iko muramu agre because ni mubwate jukumwe bono muvuri nkiatajira karo na matebi muvuri mo batebi nkiatajira few minutes after to atigane no Moses na mutigere responsibility ya follow up why the lady didn't come ngosoero rime tagete gosoka ngomana wake ruziki no kirete emitandao gesalite mitandao nkigo salite nki what happened no maite tutondisi ko batebi whoever called me ni maite tutondisi okubikira mutandao online agoteba mwabeta monere subwanchani kwale ko mwaka na shilingi 40,000 kwale ko mwaka na 40k mulilala na yeye ulikuwa mlipe 40k you failed to pay her na sasa akachukua simu. That was a shock. How come ngaigo sinyabo ngo boli ngo sinyarali. These are gentlemen bako ngakira from one of the choirs. Kakiri zikigenda go and counter that, go and respond and say because ngaite mbai wete kineke before na ndekera abwate tu bosibugabo so bagante kakiri ziki nabo nyaketa kalega. Is this what she can do? Go and tell people how it is ko baboli ngo sinyakinjaneliki nga no boni to win ove kumbe little did we know as she was being waited at the police station achabe served justice na ndende gatogete nesimi otebere nabwa evidences chonse to amuganye taachare all these evidences. It's because I think she was cornered ekarali ara izobere cornered na agachieta kaliyo mwakili kerabaliyo mwakili with the help of the brother. I'm not ashamed to say so. Bakaliyo mwakili and the brother is misleading this young lady ngabono because I'm able, so the lady got what that ego that her brother is able to do anything tingo chandika we are able to hire an advocate bakaliyo mwakili aba process ile warrant of arrest of which wakili our process warrant of arrest bakabalia bakagenda bakabanga umwakili ko muboli nere the same questions korengana na statement ya ruwete. Do you have evidences into to deal with the tangible evidence?
Yes.
Tumanye go process ya arrest mustoko konye konyora umuntu abwatu akaba cornered tabwateni nekarali yali ku police station obere cornered she doesn't any so akara the only thing noko genda ba create propaganda online aligia abantu bakuru kugose nabwo usinga kitimba manyitie abantu bakora mabantu baligia abantu bakora mabantu na gusaleria abantu amalieta asimitandao bara ameriziki batebe riziki unabere involved ya sobonyaka una riziki ararete no mwana onde ariko mwaka na ngeri ya yeli bwa 40 wangire ku mwaka na yeli bwa 40 bono mwana onde akaire simi na kirete simi bono riziki nkumurigia ara muite sijuo mwasoltire. So that is the time, that is the time ntukare tu wende goja police ya justice era police ya yekaba ko TikTok ochiyo ndoli ya bantu. Then a question comes, riziki onya naga waziro munyarukuyo the way there's a procedure maybe ngochiare kanisa ikanisa yene bwate the elders of the church ikanisa ye ne bwate murandia tare kogenda so murandio ye amotebe nga riziki omocheire riziki onkoreire APCD bono mondangiririe geikaro nkori we board nkori we meeting mbori wa maswali buna naga osere nyarukiye ngina ni yankwiraniria ayago nsinyansi. Why do you take me, if you're genuine at all, why do you take me on TikTok asa abantu bakora mabantu amangana makongu you've seen ingana ligocha paka even my parents, vulnerable parents back in the village bako wengane yo maetekere ko uragaro muburi ubanda ku pressure akwe. Why should you take me to these people bakora mabantu amangana njirige kabiri? Why should you take me if you are genuine? Ekarolende police yasinya kwa rato gocha police angekwangire kanisa gekora na inchi no mukristo.
So goteba toira nasa magana 10 so magana 10 ne brocho yo gotema ko tubikis
Eline nchira, that is a way of revenge. Eline nchira ale ko revenge. Ekeranyo rango obere cornered. Ouri rwesimi. Of which akagete ngataku otokire nero. Ya very exhibit. Obori wa maswali ya eresa takola ngani statement ya we contradictory ya burire.
Yes.
Akaronga tiga revenge. Asokuriyo monto. Bamuakana bamo compromise. Achara meriziki. Asale riziki elieta. That is a propaganda.
So since acheta kaira the time where it simi ina ringi the last time momranete.
That is the last time to meranete. Ekerambo antebetinga na bwate biasara daraja. Na bimanyitinga ngaibire gusinya. Ninchiete. Pone kera chira tamire pio chire. Ubwatirwe nando bwatukirwe. Ninchiete to involve mechanic bali ari korosiri ndagira. Nyaruke elia se bali mumanye to say ibiasara ari gokora ibiagoteba igare koni egentu gikuru kwa supu na kiongo ikigusina botogoteba. Yeah, supu na kiongo timaiti igare koni esubu ari koneria abantu bali mechanic darajaria nabwo ari koneri. So aganta akakaya sare koneri na akamanyite. So naga nitimanye ngai gekora nendo uigurirwo chiro she is not anywhere taigoto. So nkabori nkaengeje chi mechanic jire bakantebinge shop yaye akaduka kaya kali. Tukagenda roro kumurigia usinto manyora kaduka ku. Tokotebunga ya toliyo marioni igaonia igaonetia wikago ekaraonia karusi bintu biaya bintu birabono. This is ownership yo muntu munga.
Yes.
So akaonia gotama. Then why should you also sell your business if you are genuine?
Okay. Tete nko liva kubuli swali lakini kulingana na bantu babiri gaiga na bondo cha bantu bangi sana gaiga baba makufuatilia si umutandao and thanks for tuning. Manganaya lisoli ngubuli limarafu nko liva. Manganaya kirokende abantu batebire nga nyarebe is involved nyarebe nole behind this lady otema gochochea. Usogotema goitirieta. Nanda bande batebanga maybe nesa ulikuwa kwa chiri nkuma kirokende bali bachakite maiga yao waikiri motwe kwa baitaniri kirokende nabo bali behind these stories manganaya akaite na baba skole to witana na baba skole baitana batali bamino mangana neke nenga bantu bali maiga behind this go say na mangana yobolo igobona lito chakite conclusion go summarize egera to kuregente
asa mangana ye monto kwa behind this.
Yes.
Ngise ko iro the court of law.
Yes.
Nchiko boli wa mavolio nga no manyete monto le behind. So tinko nyara wa accuse monto maybe gonda akagire kuna abandi baito bakagire nainde bakwanire.
Yes.
So tinko nyara goteba nga nyagete gusoyo guse deno nali behind this. Asamangana ya mention because tinda nyora oboene but rende korengana nebikorwa and from the behaviors of some few individuals it is a proof nainde yaiwekanda as some people are alleging that some of the conversations and the comments some of the people back comment and what they are saying they are behind this nekabale behind this is one of the way yoko oanyaroke force yoko akariziki amatobe yoko yiriziki in all means of which rendo nyakere I don't know what to achieve. I don't know why because ntentu anakomochana na nonde tomochane nga twagosanire ntubwato gwetana na Dennis tubwato gwetana noyo abokonyora njonye Dennis nkogamba turi twakwanani lakini onye Dennis kanyange tekerokende kabwate ukoganio kobe from enkoro yaye timanyiti. So I've never had any difference with the Montonde Wens abato komera no monto twakwanani and amasikani agenda that way. So what I can see from the look of things chiseginchiro chinyinge sana. And I've come to realize that I say obotelio ntuanchain. And for that reason, that is why some people have also felt the same. And that is why they can say what they are saying.
Mpendwa, inazidi kutiririka na umeweza kuona yale ambayo yanaendelea. Bernard Riziki, wewe ni mwimbaji, zaidi ya yote wewe ni mfanyikazi shambani mwa Mungu, ya kwamba karibia kila siku nyimbo zako zinatumika sana kufariji watu, zinatumika kwenye huduma za ibada, na zaidi mno hata wewe mwenyewe una ile sehemu ambayo unafanya katika kufanyia Mungu kazi. Na haya mambo ambayo yanakuja hapa kwenye mtandao kwamba yamefika, ni kweli yamefika, watu wanayajua. As at now, nikiweza kukuuliza, has it affected you in any way, either positively ama negatively as we speak?
Yes, this thing has really affected me. It has affected my mental well-being. It has affected me in a more negative way. This thing, if we had nyetari nyasaye tubwate oro monene ogotubeka amang'ana aya arekobera ng'a gusaba abere omonto onde mong'ao ora weaker vessel. This thing can kill someone. Depression can kill someone. Yeah, depression can kill someone. When you wake up every day, you find that you are the topic online, you're the topic in every social media platform. In this case, tari asa mang'ana maya tari gotera gwaso kyuko igogo trend asa mang'ana mabe na anete ya mang'ana mabe busa amang'ana mabe yobokora y'abantu babe babwatenda mwamu abantu babe ba saitani abantu baba baibi berure basokirie segi kurwania abantu bandi kisegi na go bring other people down. So that thing, it's really heartbreaking. And this thing, it's a bad thing. I've seen even people trolling the church, the SDA church. Yeah, I want to say this categorically, that SDA church is a church. This is a church. The SDA church is a church of order. Truth be told. Ekanisa ya SDA ne kanisa bwa tomoroberio ne kroyo mubu achire borego. The church has a way ekurwe punishment aso monto tokire na mamocho. Onyo monto moja ase kanisa yi. Ngendo kire tu wale kuruka censorship. You can be censored by the board. The pastor can censor you. Ekanisa yi ne kanisa bwa tachi system chiaye chiri chinkongo. Foundation chiaye like another church. So I can categorically say that it has the balitoko temako letter the church in ekaniseye neri abayibi bakire kanisa chikirimino kyakire kanisa abantu ababe bakire kanisa bakiro tali ngako bacha igo yaba bunanya gitari bacha kubarwa abande mbale babwate chikondisho bunne kya no osteomyelitis batagete kubarwa bunanya arabali babarwe abande mbale bakire babwate complication yawao kira abaite nonye mambia bakire bakonywe lakini naenda abande mbara bakongo batakonye kebwango mono because bono as things hard. Yeah, ekanisa yirendo kwa butro no mutinyo yomo onyo more byo kurandira butore while ziki njemenye tanta ikokonya kita ikonkonya njiri etera nkonya nenwe if I'm singing otero kongo tera nkura nkonya, what am I doing here? So we should not allege the church in any way. In fact, we should kanisa tawende ko in this business completely. These are individuals that we should deal with onye riziki deal nere korengana with the fact that you have onye no munyaroko yo moyo monto yo mobe deal nere korengana na hivi kusina korengana the facts you have. Lakini tainga zenge nje aviri tete kanisa abutet bajeta timogeto apimete ngara ngadiri kiara nyore kuru kanisa ye onyora gadiri ojiri ojumuino ngabono you just bring the church in. We should not.
Yes. And maybe on that particular point that you're bringing it as a church, you're a church of a member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and many others who could be wanting to safeguard the name of the Seventh-day Adventist Church that has been told for the past few days. I know the Bible says in Isaiah 52 verse 11 that be ye clean those who bear the vessels of the Lord. And you in particular, as Bernard Riziki, you bear the vessels of the Lord in many ways, and even in singing the songs. Could it be an appearance of the evil and many other things? I know there are temptations, but you as an individual, Bernard Riziki, do you see a way or in any place that you as an individual, you've been tempted to make this online appearance whereby you as Bernard, you are behind the trolling of the SDA name church? In brief, are you clean in this whole scenario?
Yes, I'm clean. In this case, I'm victimized. I'm just the victim of the circumstance. Bono. Do you want to tell me we have reached a point whereby I'm a Christian, I'm a gospel artist? You'll just come and take my property forcefully just because I'm a Christian. I'll follow a procedure to get my property back. And the procedure, as the Bible tells us, they follow the right procedure. Get your property in a good way. There are ways you go follow. One of the ways na follow the chile legal. Noko genda siri chiko na kuripoti aroro. Tinche timetanda onjukora mamuntu. Despite thing anabona areko gachi wankorebo. But I didn't do that. I controlled myself. I controlled my hunger. So I'm just the victim of the circumstances.
Asante sana. I think tobere tugukuwa n'abantu bali baturire kurwase cyane cyetu cya Get the Point and Omagusi TV we had agatembe here. Tunashukuru sana. Na right comment igaige kile kile positive kile negative, but tunashukuru kwa sababu muko tu pale kuchangia either in the positive way on the negative way, tunakubali. Riziki, nataka nishukuru kwanza kabisa kwa kukubali kuja hapa kujielezea hapa hewani ili watu wapate kuelewa na kujua kweli kwamba ni nini ambacho kiliweza kutendeka. I think walio na masikio wamesikia na si wote wanakubali, kwa sababu no tuma okoleki wesibia maji chumbio na Mombasa, si wote wanakubali. Kuna wale wanakuwa position na kuna wale ambao wanakuwa in the positive side. So tutaka tukule na I can see abantu babata maswali amangega. There is other people they are mentioning that we should talk about them, but because of time tutaweza kuongelelea hiyo kwa sasa. You're requesting for part 2, tutakuja kwa part 2 ikiwezekana. If possible tutakuja kwa part 2 ili tupate kuyaongelelea lero tocha address amangana aria atoto na aratoretaga iga manganande, ikiwezekana tutaweza kuyaongelelea baadaye as time goes by, na otorega iga nande torega iga korengana ne demand ya bangi na koranche kwanire gentekyo ili tunyale konyora oboene ama gospel artist. We do sing ngokora turega si nyingi na Riziki. I remember the first time wakati ambapo tuweza kufanya interview na Riziki, nashukuru kwamba people responded positively na mkaweza kumshika mkono maana baba amefika, tunashukuru. Riziki, asari ya kwanirwe because you're Christian, asari ya kwanirwe ninki kero kindura nyale gukwana asenchira ya bene elinde abantu barali stand ya onereri asebono iga and maybe ekesinkere ase mambo kwa serikali as we talk right now timaiti go say amangana ya TikTok amangana yo salilita anyalire gutamba with that case in any way ama mtaweza kuendelea na kesi. So I don't know whether gose kuna vile mambo ya matusi na mambo mengine yameweza kuintervene with the case. Sijui kama mtaweza kuendelea ama itakuwaje. Over the animation very soon.
Bono asamangana buna yekra beira.
Yes.
Onje ninche na kolero monto bo.
Yes.
Monto gare gonsu. Asegento gikoro kwa defamation.
Yes.
And character assassination.
Yes.
Igo bone gento keraiga. Tinta to commission anything igaiga. Because mangana ya bona sale. Let the law take its own course.
Yeah.
Ichiko asa manganare police, asa manganare ase abanyaneri ichiko, asa mangana kogenda court. Let the law take its own course. Na ende by the end of the day, kiromonto anyore justice, na justice take its own course. To my fans, kango kolera, I want to appreciate you, good people. Abantu ababonsi bastandiria monanche online. Na bali bonsi kero kende bali go judge because mbabwat the detail of the story. Na bonta gete ko bakirambiye mono because kurwa mangana yaba I've received many calls yabantu gotema kumanya my whereabouts, whether I'm okay, whether I'm depressed, but I'm encourage. People have prayed for me. And soon amasaba yakorirwe amariga yabantu balirira gaiga. I have a team of people who have been praying for me. I have a team of prayer band people who have been praying all along Corona Ruarete. Jabuna Mokondoraiga, I'm just a product of prayer. Mokondoraiga, I'm just a product of grace. Enema ya Nyasaye. No manyitinga kananga kona kritikale. So on earth, I don't have another business to do. I don't have another business to do. Ama tukemerongebera naye tuimenyoka. I don't have time gukora mang'ana ya yubo saria agukwanwa online. I don't have time yo gukora bunyaka uvo gukwanwa. I don't have time yo kuengage myself asa mang'ana ya turucha gutara ase mitandao. The only time and chance I only have a chance to serve the living God who has brought me from a deathbed. I only have a chance yo gukorera Nyasaye mirimo urio nducitie ase gitanda kia makweli na ari gukwa agankonya. I've been gone through emiriro, through turmoil, through persecution, but Nyasaye onkonyire na beira. So that is the Lord I'll keep on serving. Nekero nkomokorera, this is the time nanyorire chinguru muno kumukorera gekogera persecution asa abantu ba Nyasaye is sure. My fans, my friends, to my family, I don't have more time here on earth. I have a condition. Yeah. Nimbwate condition of which I don't know. Timanyeti. Yani riziki timbwate chinga kichoko nakakore bintu. Gekogera timanyeti. The condition I have when I will leave this earth. Timanyeti condition nimbwate ndindarua. So tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo bunyaka. Tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo buyibi. Tintake tindwa mbeke irego biyo bokora. Yoko bakiro libwo bulimo kuliera abantu abokora. Tintake tindwa nsalitie abantu amalieta. Tintake tindwa ntiga abantu bande bakorera barat broken. Why inkirisikia yakwera buno muntu muri. I want to live here. Ntige kentuke kwa clean legacy. Because my days, as I've said, I don't know nothing Arabe. I have a condition. I have a deadly condition that I'm managing. Erori ya name each day. Nchego nkunywa mariogo. Bwata mariogo nkunywa. Just to keep me going. I don't know ngayi engineer alimere. I don't know when the engine will switch off. I'm under medication I'm taking each day. The 40,000 with the chiko na gutrend zika. Ejine chibasa chiko ngorera mariogo metinye 5 nkuna kunywa. I don't have time. I come from a family, vulnerable. A family butaka, where the real definition yo butaka ero. Maybe God has given me a chance. Yokoba, when I'm living, I leave them in a better place. When I'm living, I leave my family in a better place when they are comfortable. Baribuya. Baramanyanga Nyasaye. Na tumegete mwana ituri kuriziki. Tukaba where we are. So I don't have time to indulge myself as even teviko kwano semitandao. I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you. Because menishikilia sana. Pray for me.
Mnavyoona tu anazidi kutiririka na mawazo mengi. Ni jambo gumu ambalo kwa wengi limetugusa sana. Na kini ya haya yote Mungu anasema kwamba kuna sababu haya yote ambayo nakuja. Na kwenu ambao mnazidi kumuombea kaka yetu Riziki, tuomba kwamba mzidi kumuombea. Na tunapofika kilele cha mazungumzo haya siku hii ya leo ambapo ameweza kufika, wale ambao wameweza kusafiri nasi tangia tulipofika mbashara hii mwanzo hadi hivi sasa, jinsi anavyoeleza ni kweli kwamba yale ambao tumekuwa tukiona mtandao ni kinaya sana ama ni kinyume na yale ambao ameweza kusema yeye mwenyewe. Sisi kama binadamu hatuna nafasi ama ruhusa yote ya kufanya hukumu, na mimi pamoja na ndugu yetu Dennis tumefika leo si kukondem, lakini kuweza kumpa fursa na yakaweze kujieleza, tukaweze kufuatilia yale yote ambayo yamekuwa yakitendeka. Ni vigumu sana mtumishi wa Mungu kama huyu anapojipata kwa magumu haya. Kumbuka kwamba jina la uimbaji huu amefanya kwa muda mrefu sana, na magumu kama haya yanapokuja kumweka chini, lakini tunazidi kuomba kwamba aweze kumbariki Mungu, ampe nguvu, ampe hekima ya kuweza kuhandle haya mambo pale kotini, na kilele kitakapofika na ukweli kaweze kujulikana. Ndugu Dennis.
Asante sana watazamaji ambao mmeweza kutufuatilia toka mwanzo mpaka sasa hivi. Mungu awabariki sana. Na naweza sema kwamba kwa sasa hivi jinsi ambavyo tulikuwa tumeongea na Riziki, ameweza kupata anajielezea mambo mengine ambayo hajajua kwamba yameanzia wapi ama yametokea wapi, but leo ndo tumefanya interview na amesema ni interview ya mwisho ya kuweza kujibu maswali pale TikTok anapoulizwa ama kwingine. This is the end. Na kwa sasa hivi jinsi ambavyo mlisikia sasa kwamba hoja ya sheria ichukue mkondo wake. Interview ya leo, wakati ambapo I got some calls that we should do interview na Riziki, nikaweza kuongea naye, akasema tutaifanya the right time. Na leo akanipigia simu akaniambia leo wako tayari kuzungumza, sababu wanasema kwamba ongea ifanya nini ongea ikutoke. So ameongea leo. Nadhani kwamba umepata ukweli wa maneno jinsi ambavyo yalivyo, na sidhani kama tutaweza kuwa na nafasi nyingine, kwa sababu naona kwamba tafuta fulani no, hatutakuwa na time nyingine. Tulikuwa nataka tusikie kutoka kwa Riziki mwenyewe, na ameweza kujielezea kwa njia ambayo ni mwafaka na mmeweza kumwelewa. Tumefika tamati, na nataka nishukuru wale ambao wameweza kutufuatilia kwa channel zetu zote. Mungu wabariki, Mungu wainue.
Na kabla ya maybe tumalize kabisa,
Aha.
ni kwako mimi na wewe tu.
Yes.
Kwa wale ambao nazidi kufuatilia,
Yes.
na wewe ukiepo mwenyewe,
Yeah.
ni picha gani inakuja kwako kama mtu ambao unamweka mtu kwa majaribio kama haya?
Yes.
Na pengine hii itakuwa ni fursa ya kuweza kuwauliza tu wao wenyewe wakaweze kujiangalia.
Yes.
Kabla ukaanze kufanya mambo, ukumbuka kwamba ni impact gani yataleta kwa mtu.
Yes.
Na kwako kibinafsi. Manake leo ni siku ya kuingia Sabato. Na juma hili zima kaka yetu hajaweza kuwa na ile amani ya kuweza kuenda kufariji watu.
Yes.
Pengine kuenda studio kuimba wimbo mwingine, lakini anajipata kwa mambo ambayo ni magumu sana.
Yes.
Na kwako tu sasa ni swali unijibu. What can you tell?
Watu hubuni mambo.
Yeah.
Na watu hutengeza mambo. Kuna baadhi yanakuwa kweli, kuna baadhi yanakuwa kwamba ya kusingizia. Lakini mimi jinsi ambavyo nimeishi kwa siku chache zile ambazo nimeweza kuishi, nimeona watu wakitengeza mambo, wakizani kwamba wao si binadamu. Watu wameongea mengi, tumeongelelewa mengi. Watu wametuleta hewani, watu wamezungumza mambo mengi. Lakini jinsi ambavyo tunaishi katika dunia hii, na tunakanyaga udongo na mvua ni moja, I can testify kwamba wengi ile barabara wameweza kuipitia. I sang the song ambayo inasema kwamba mwanadamu ukikaa naye ama ukiketi naye unafikiri kwamba ni rafiki yako, kumbe si rafiki. Niliimba huu wimbo kwa sababu ya mambo yale ambayo tumeweza kupitia hapa nyuma. Mimi mwenyewe ni victim. Si kwamba ni Riziki tu, watu wameongea mengi, lakini nimeweza kuangalia na nimeweza kuwitness kwamba moja kwa moja jinsi ambavyo Mungu anaishi, anawashughulikia. So unapofanya jambo usizani kwamba wewe you're on a safer side, as long as wewe ni binadamu. Jinsi ambavyo unafanya watu wengine wanalia, watu wengine wanatezeka, walali usingizi, hiyo kwamba chako pia kiko motoni. Na jinsi ambavyo walisema kwamba ni siku ngapi za mwezi? 40. Sasa zilitoka pale zikakuja siku 10. So unapokuwa kwamba wewe ni mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha kwamba umeweza kusherekea kuanguka kwa menzio, jipange pia, kwa sababu pia wewe ni binadamu. Usije ukazani kwamba wewe uko na safer side. Wenda baadhi ya mambo yakakuwa ukweli, lakini katika ukweli kule kuna vile ambavyo tunaweza tukashughulikia mambo haya kiundugu. Si kwamba wewe ndio ambao unachochea, wewe ndiwe wa kwanza kuweza kusambaza kwamba nani ameanguka ama amepatwa na hili. So whenever you see your brother or your sister anapitia mambo fulani, muombee na pia muongeleshe tu kwa upole kama ndugu ama dada, kwa sababu sisi zote ni binadamu. Kwa majaribu yale tu uenda ukajikuta kwamba wewe mwenyewe umepita kwa hiyo barabara.
Na hii inaweza kufanya watu wengine wakaogopa hata kuleta talanta za uimbaji.
Exactly.
Ona yule mtoto amemfuatilia hiki kisa. Ona yule ambaye Bernard ni role model wake.
Yes.
Na napotizama haya yote yakija, ni kweli hata kama ni mimi nitaacha uimbaji.
Yes.
Because people will fear singing for the Lord because they are being trolled.
Yeah.
And they'll want now to sing for the world because there's less. Suppose alikuwa naimba secular. Hii mambo ungesikia. Dennis,
yes.
Tuseme tu kweli kibiblia. Ni kwamba the devil is an accuser of the brethren.
Exactly.
Na huyu angekuwa ni mwimbaji wa secular,
Aha.
ama mwimbaji wa secular, mara mingi wanapopatana na changamoto kama hizi,
Yes.
zinapotea.
Sure.
In a short while,
Aha.
they are nowhere to be heard. Lakini inapofika kwa Mungu sasa, watu wengine nasikia eti wanataka kukaa TikTok wiki mzima.
Yes. Yeah.
Wanataka kukaa wapi? But anyway, what I was trying to say that take heart, Bernard Riziki and all the upcoming singers and those ones who have been finding all this, as I leave to you to crown it off and we call it a day.
Asante sana Riziki. Mambo haya ukua uende kwa kwamba ni wakati wako wa kwanza kuweza kujipata kwenye mtandao, watu wakiongea hivi na vile, but mambo haya ukua na mambo kama haya yanakufanya ukwe strong, ukwe more focused kwa injili yake Mwenyezi Mungu. Na wengi wanasema kwamba wacha Riziki aweze kuacha mambo mengi kuongea, aweze kushikilia makufocus katika injili. Na tukifanya hii hatujafanya kwamba tumekuja kwa kutengeneza content.
You know, I've seen some of my friends texting me and telling me, "Oh, Emmanuel, you're doing something good." But this one, you had to keep it off. But again, I was asking myself, why should I? Because what have we done wrong?
Hakuna.
Because here, genuinely, we're doing a real conversation that can help Riziki.
Yes.
You know, Riziki had asked him a question.
Yeah.
He answered that he has been affected.
There
is loyal fans and followers who had kept him booked for days, these days. But now that this scandal has come, they've just kept a while from calling him to grace the occasion. Mpaka waone mambo inaenda namna gani. You know, that's a very bad effect. And to some occasions, he might lose some loyal fans on the name of he's doing this and that. But I think he could get some time and maybe get to them. Vile mmeangalia, nyinyi ndio mnamuita events, nyinyi ndio mnamuita kwa functions zenu kanisani, na mmeweza kuona venye amesikiza. Kwa hivyo sisi kama role ya media actually is to enlighten and educate. We are not here to gossip and spread it as some of you are saying. But if you see us having that appearance of gossiping, then we are sorry for that extent. But we are here to have a listen, and if possible, if we can get the other side of the story someday, I think you can
ikiwezekana, ikibidi tutaweza kusikiza kutoka upande mwingine, tusiseme kwamba tuko biased.
You know, people could be saying you biased, how can you? We are not judging.
Unaweza jisikiza pande moja tu.
No, wale ambao umesikiza, sisi we've not judged. What we've done, we've listened.
Exactly.
And judgment we leave it for the Lord. And if possible, some days, you know, we can find. And life is a mystery. Today they can be what's happening. Tomorrow they can be friends.
Exactly.
You know, we are not here to hate one another. And Riziki, maybe I can ask you, do you have any hatred toward her at the moment? Maybe by signaling. I know it cannot be there. It's only he's trying to get his phone back. And if possible, he's going to get it and all things will be done. Crown it off.
Ikiwezekana kwamba tuweze kukutana na upande mwingine, tuweze kusikiza pia other side of the story, itawezekana. Naona request ziko mingi hapa, lakini tutaweza labda kufanya na jinsi ambavyo mumeweza kurequest, na mambo yote yatakuwa sawa. Katika safari hii injili itafika mahali ambapo itafika kikomo, mambo yote yatafika kikomo, lakini najua kwamba katika yale maisha ambayo tunayotumainia kwamba siku moja Mwenyezi Mungu akirudi tutaweza kwenda mbinguni, na kuna yale ambayo yataweza kuendelea. Baadhi ya yale ambayo yataweza kuendelea pale ni nyimbo. Nyimbo asitafika kikomo, asitafika mwisho. Kwa wale ambao wameweza kurusha mawe kutukana na waimbaji hawa single nini, tuombe ili Mwenyezi Mungu apate kuwajaza na Roho Mtakatifu, basi waendelee kutubariki na nyimbo. And I want to promise you and I want to tell you kwamba hatutaweza kuacha kuimba. Tutaimba milele na milele, na tukimaliza kuimba hapa chini tutaenda kuimba pale mbinguni.
Msiogope, mimi si mwimbaji lakini najua kwamba msiogope. Jitie moyo, pambana, inua beramu juu, muinue Yesu. Na watu wanapoona matendo yenu watamuinua Yesu. Na pia nyinyi si safi sana.
We're not holy.
Nyinyi si safi. Watu wajue kwamba pia you you are tempted like anybody else.
binadamu pia.
The first thing, you're a human being.
Yeah.
And you've added it to add value on you being alive, you're
Yes.
singing.
Aha.
So people should not come and expect too much of singers. You know, people expect too much of you. Expect too much of
Yeah,
Riziki.
sure.
But again, when you find that chance, msijiingishe hizi mambo ambazo zinapiga Yesu, matope, zinapiga if possible, you cannot be perfect, but try to avoid all appearances of the evil. You know, you can sing well and women will be over saying you sing well. You sing well. Can they get an opportunity to get a relationship?
Yeah, sure.
And again, next time when you get Riziki, I want to ask him this question. How do you handle a relationship alongside your fans? You know, people will be loving you to a point you are not able to distinguish. Is this a relationship, or is this a fan to client relationship, or this is a love affair? Those things you should get professionals become so that you can avoid some dramas.
Asante
At
sana.
some point, you know who to allow to your house, who not to allow. Some people, maliza function, go away.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that one will help you so much.
Yes.
Wengine, maliza kanisa, salimiana,
Na nyumbani.
gari yako enda kwa nyumba.
Aha.
To avoid more dramas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hiyo ni advice ya waimbaji wote na wala ambao wote wanataka kuingia pia kwa ministry, mnakaribishwa. It's only that the temptations are everywhere. It's only that you be strong. Usije ukaangushwa. Sasa
kwa wote ambao mmeweza kutufuatilia kwa
yes.
Get the Point Media pamoja na Mwomogusi Television, tumewashukuru sana kwa mahojiano haya ambao tumekuwa nasi. Kwa niaba ya fundi mtambo wote ambao wamefanikisha mbashara hii, tunawapa heko kwenu. Mwanzo tukianza tulikuwa na shida ya sauti, lakini imeweza kurekebishwa, na kwenu ambao mmeweza kutufuatilia hadi wakati huu, tupende tu kuwashukuru sana, tukisema kwamba kwa Get the Point tunasema get the point, you take a step forward. Sijui kwa Mwomogusi mnasema aje? As a parting shot, sisi tunasema get the point, you take a step forward. Kwenu mnasema?
Kwa banga inero Mwomogusi TV enkoro yo Mwomogusi.
Enkoro yo Mwomogusi. Bernard Riziki, kwako tukiwaga
Bernard by then nataka tuimbe.
Yeah, naweza tuimbia.
Na kwa ningana getiga ya anjina ya machipondeta ukorera kidogo nga kama dia senkorera akiri. Lakini ndonge litoma yatingi mambingi yane koreteki.
Mambingi yanero.
Aha. So tukimalizia nataka tuimbie that song. Nilisema hapa kwamba tukimaliza yote hapa hata huko mbinguni itakuwa nini?
You can be connecting it.
Tunapiga tu akapela.
Akapela.
Lakini si uko sawa kuimba? Sauti
yangu sawa. Pengine umpe microphone ama tumuimbe.
Mpa ya tatu niimbe sauti gani ile? Niimbe hata bass. Uchape alto, achape gani tena itakuwa sawa. Kwa hiyo itakuwa imekamilika. Lakini kwa sasa,
lakini mimi sijui kuimba sana.
Sawa.
Naigule kore buku.
Yes.
Naende na manyire. Mechande menge mono.
Yes.
Gocho mosalaba.
Musaraba?
Inde nobo menyo.
Asante. Bono tigariziki na baro mokera kini na babu ataka base gete gaka karaka yake. Tago tukuniliga kika tukukora.
Acha nimpe microphone.
Asante sana sole mwaturigirerie gobono gako na gotera ngukora tugochia. Mungu awabariki sana, na ikiwezekana tutaweza kuweza kusikiza the other side of the story. Amangana 40k turaya tigaki egere to focus asiringana nya side because bintu mbire biratokonya bintu mbire bigocha na bigweta Riziki na igure kurwa sebuko tafadhali. I know you're down, but I know you can sing for us. Yes, please. Tupatie sauti mzuri hapo. Yes. Patie ka best kidogo. Rola lena akorali na wale wote ambao umekuja hapa ku witness na kutupatia security. Thank you guys. Wale ambao umekuwa nyuma ya kamera, kina Moses at Mwomogusi, the other guy from the studio, Josefu, asante sana. My brother Freddy, Bifon and Lewis. Lewis umechificha sana. Lewis umekuwa ukishikilia TikTok. Thank you kwa kuanza kwa update our fans from TikTok. So for now you can conclude. Kama uko na jambo la kuweza kuzungumza ama kumalizia, then you sing for us, na tutashukuru Mungu kwa kuwezesha kwamba tulianza interview na tumemaliza successfully.
Yeah, as I said, God says that Mungu ametoa ahadi ya kutushikilia wakati wote. Onyene karoba bisa bakwimoka gutulia bagima. Nyasaye taikwalao ngekwera batebanga paka nonyene karaba bisa berwete. Onyetari Yesu ringe nsemo yaitu. Anangaba bisa batumirire turi moyo. And again God says that vengeance is mine. Sago tebanga nero kurusige siumba. Na mutigeire. Nyasaye nero kumurusio mwiwe gesiumba. So I just want to appreciate everyone who have taken part of this interview. I want to appreciate everyone who has taken their time, their sweetest time, to follow this interview since it started till where we have reached. All my fans worldwide, I want to appreciate you. I want to say that I love you, and I want to give you one promise, that keep on trusting in the Lord and keep on trusting in me. I won't let you down at any given point. Ziki, as I've said, I won't let you down. So I don't have time to let anyone down. So may God bless you. Mambingia.
DJ. What's up? Give us the song, man.